Want to manage your account with ease, set up autopay, make a one-time payment, and find important documents, all in one awesome app? Check it out. Hey everybody, Ryan here from GoodLeap Studio. Today, I'm going to step you through the GoodLeap Home App that makes it simple to manage your GoodLeap account, discover cool new upgrades and rewards, and save even more money by optimizing your home energy use, all from your phone or mobile device. In this video, we'll start with account management. To get started, let's sign into the app. Once on the home page, you'll discover a summary of all the features the app offers, including a navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Accounts icon in the lower left for a summary of each account, and tap View Account on the account you'd like to manage. Here at GoodLeap, we love saving you time and money, and by enabling autopay, you can do both. Simply tap Enable Autopay to view the amount and date of your automatic monthly payment. Add bank or credit card info if it isn't already entered. Then tap Enable Autopay again. By enabling ACH Autopay, loan customers save 0.5% APR with automatic on-time payments, and lease or power purchase customers get a $10 monthly discount. If you just want to make a one-time payment, tap here on Make a Payment. Choose to pay the statement amount due or enter your own custom amount and the payment date. Select your payment method, add your payment details if you haven't already, then tap Review Payment. Make sure everything's in order and press Submit. If the payment was sent successfully, you'll see a payment confirmation number. Need to view or download your statements or original signed documents? Just tap Documents and Statements for instant access to this information whenever you need it, all stored safely and securely in the cloud. The goal here is to make your life easier by having everything you need all in one place. For even more useful information, tap the Accounts icon for a summary of your account, which includes current payment due and payment due date. To reveal your account number, simply click View Account Details. You can scroll down to view your next scheduled payment, and below that, you can view posted and pending payments. And there you have it. Enjoy a hassle-free and secure payment experience using GoodLeap Home. Download it free for Android or iOS today and save your valuable time for something other than paying bills. In our next video, we'll go over the energy insights in the app and how to make your smart home work harder for you. Thanks for watching.